Hi guys, hope you're all well. I think I'm day 2 into my week off. But as you know, being self-employed, it's not really time to have time off. So I am changing my engine oil on my pressure washer. And I think the engine oil is definitely due. It's definitely had more than 50 hours. So yeah, here we go. So here's the engine. Here's the fill caps. The oil is black. Just show you. Black. Luckily in my back garden I've got like a little slope that oil will drain into this plastic tray. I'm hoping this is the spot here, and I'm using a socket wrench because it's loosened it, and I'm hoping this is where the oil drains out. So here we go. So I'm doing it. It's a very bad design fault. They should just raise this up maybe a little bit as a possibility. Oh my god. Check that out. Black. So we'll just let that drain off. Not going everywhere. Once the majority of that's come out, we'll get it on the straight, and then we'll give it a clean up. Yeah, that's how black the oil gets. I think I've done well over 50 hours with it. In my week off, I thought I'd just change it. Also, some feedback. When do you guys do your pumps and gearboxes? So I'm not sure when to do mine, but all I know is to do the engine oil. Your thoughts, feedback would be great. Okay, so that's all the oil drained. I'm going to put some clean oil in it. We got our oil replacement pack from Rutland Pumps. I'm guessing you can get it from any Halfords or somewhere similar. But yeah, so the engine oil is this 10W50. And it's going to go in there. Dipstick's all clean, and we probably want it to go to about here, I believe, on the dipstick. That's what it says. And it's use a funnel, but I don't have a funnel, so I had a makeshift water bottle. Comes with a drinks cap, which I've just pierced the cap. Sat in there. You could probably connect a pipe onto it or something to make it fill up the a bit easier, but anyway, let's get on with this. It's a job you just want to take your time on, really. It pays to have a decent oil dispenser. And it's in no rush. Lovely clean oil going in the machine. So guys, little clean up, tidy up the frame, give everything a bit of a dust off. Check the filter in there, it was all clean. Oil's now all changed, nice and clear. Yeah. So just the thoughts on changing these two oils and how often you should do those. That's on the pump and the gearbox. There wasn't actually no guideline there, or was that down to when it goes for a service to get them to do it? So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick one. Yeah, see you all soon next week when I return back to normality of working. Cheers guys.